question is the earth blank around the sun. Clear? Now there are three options: revolve or revolves or is revolving. Which one is correct answer? A, B or C? B. Why it is B? क्यों है B बताइए? हाँ loudly, because this is present tense and this is scientific or universal truth. Is it clear? Okay, so option B is the right answer. This is present tense, subject be plus object. Clear? Okay, next question number 2. This is question number 2. Read the question. They blank to school every morning. Okay, go. Why it is go? Because this is also present indefinite tense, and this is plural subject. So no need to add s or es. Okay. Next question number 3. What blank you doing now? What is R? What is R? What is R? Because it is present. How do you know? Okay, see, and now. This now is a time adverb of present continuous tense. Clear? So what are
doing now?
yes? Option C is the right answer. Clear? Okay, next question number 4. See question number 4. I blank study English now. Which one is correct? Again, the right answer is A. Option A. Okay, next question number 5. Someone blank my CD player. Come. बताइए, which one is correct? Someone blank my CD player. हाँ? Had stole. This is wrong. कुछ stole कुछ नहीं होता है. Have के साथ में we have to use with her. Option
Stolen.
D. So has someone had stolen. Someone or somebody or everybody, these are singular nouns. Clear? Next question number है 6. C blank never been to Paris. Has or have? Which one is correct? Huh? Has. So has is the right answer. Next question number 7. The boys in the park since 5 o'clock.
Have been playing.
So right answer is option C is the right answer. Has been playing. Okay, next question number 8. See question number 8. They blank football last weekend.
Played.
Played or play?
Played.
Why it is played?
Past tense.
Because last or ago or yesterday is simple past. Clear? And simple past means subject plus with to verb की second form. So correct answer is option B. Okay, question number 9. What blank she have for dinner last night? बताइए. So here right answer is why did? Because this is interrogative and interrogative of simple past. ठीक है ना? Simple past जो है क्योंकि last दिया हुआ है. So right answer is did. Yes. Next question number 10. My brother and sister blank playing tennis at 11
Why?
a.m. yesterday.
Why?
Okay, yesterday means past tense. ठीक है? Clear? And playing means be first plus ing. Past भी है और
Was.
continuous भी है. इसका मतलब है past continuous.
Was.
So correct option is were. Next question number 11. We arrived at 8:05, but the train blank already left. Had. Why had?
Past
पास्ट
perfect.
परफेक्ट है. अगर सिंपल पास्ट दिया हो तो दूसरा जो टेंस आएगा वो
Past
तो
perfect.
डेफिनेटली क्या है? पास्ट परफेक्ट. ठीक है भाई. और पास्ट परफेक्ट का मतलब है हेड प्लस
But with
बी थर्ड. क्लियर है? ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. And question number 12 is nobody explained why the project had blank on time.
had not completed.
क्या होगा? Which one is correct?
Not completed.
Not completed. Wrong answer. Which one is correct? देखिए, nobody explained. This is V2. This is simple past. तो next जो tense आएगा, past perfect आएगा. Project is object. It means this sentence is in passive voice. तो right option is
Not been completed.
हाँ. No, yes, not been
Completed.
completed. Option 1 is the
Correct.
correct answer. Next question number 13. My sister's roommate was upset. She blank been waiting for an hour.
She had been.
Which one is correct? She
Had been.
okay had been. ठीक है ना भाई? भाई was दिया है ना? Was is given. It means past tense.
Past.
और past के साथ में past ही आपको यूज करना है. Clear? So had been is the right answer. Next question number 14. She blank to the market tomorrow. Tomorrow means future.
She went.
So she
Will go.
will go. Correct? She the tomorrow means future tense. Clear? Simple future. Next question number 15. I blank you when I reach home. बताइए. I see. I reach. This is simple present. अगर simple present दिया हो तो दूसरा जो टेंस होगा वो future भरना है आपको. ध्यान रखिए. So which one is correct?
Will.
Option.
Option B.
Will.
Clear? Next question number 16. At noon tomorrow, I blank on a big somewhere.
I will be.
I will.
देखिए, tomorrow means future tense भी है और at noon means continuous. तो future continuous. तो first option is the right answer. I will be
Relaxing.
relaxing. Clear? Then question number 17. Sorry, I can't. I blank my daughter to work at that time. Sorry, I can't means I can't do that action. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं at that time. ठीक है? So this is future tense. ठीक है? तो which one is correct?
I
Will be. I will be taking my daughter to work at that time. At that time shows continuity. ठीक है ना? Continuity in future. Clear है क्या? Okay. Then question number 18. You blank the bill by the time the item arrives. Item arrive. This is simple present. Simple present अगर दिया हो तो मैंने आपको बताया
Will
tense
receive.
होगा वो
Future.
फ्यूचर ही होगा. और देखिए बाय द टाइम का मतलब होता है बाय प्लस टाइम अगर दिया हो तो दैट इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. क्लियर? और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट का मतलब है विल और शैल. ठीक है?
Plus.
विल और शैल प्लस हैव प्लस बी थर्ड. तो आप कौन सा सही है? फर्स्ट वन इज द
Correct.
correct answer. Next question number 19. He will have blank all about it by Monday. Again by Monday. By plus time का मैंने बताया अगर दिया है तो that is future perfect tense. ध्यान रखिए by plus time अगर दिया है. और future perfect कभी हमने डिस्कस किया था. He will have forgotten. Clear? Will plus have plus be third. And here last question is my mom blank for 2 days by the time I see her. देखो दो बातें हैं. हाँ ये तो I see her. This is present simple. अब present simple का मतलब है और देखो यहाँ पर since और for plus अगर टाइम दिया हुआ है तो that is present.
Perfect.
Sorry, perfect continuous
Continuous.
tense. Since और for plus टाइम अगर दिया तो that is
Perfect.
परफेक्ट
Continuous.
कंटीन्यूअस. अब परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस कौन सा होगा? जो कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट दिया अगर दिया हो दैट इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस. और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस मींस विल हैव बीन
Traveling.
Clear? Will, shall, have plus been plus
Traveling.
ing फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ये तो हो गया बस. ठीक है. So thank you. Okay, you can share, subscribe and like the channel. Okay, thank you.